Using Bernina Designer Plus software makes embroidered buttonholes for your garments a breeze. Scan the front bodice and save to your computer. You only need to scan a portion of the pattern. Open Designer Plus software and select the picture view. Click on the Load Picture icon and navigate to the saved file. Double-click on the file to open it. Zoom in on the scan to accurately measure the distance between buttonholes. Select M on your keyboard to activate the measuring tool. Click on the position of the first buttonhole and drag your mouse to the second buttonhole. Read the distance in the tooltip. Make sure that the angle is at 90 degrees. Record the length measurement. Click on Escape to deactivate the measurement tool. Right-click on the grid icon and change the vertical spacing to equal that of the measured distance between buttonholes. You can now use the grid lines to accurately space the buttonholes without scanning the entire blouse front pattern piece. Also activate Snap to Grid and click on OK. Right-click on the hoop icon and select Artista 400 by 150 Mega Auto Split Machines and click OK. Select the picture and move it by clicking and dragging the picture so the first buttonhole aligns with the horizontal grid line toward the top of the hoop. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to fine-tune the placement. Select the design view. Select Show All so that you can see most of the hoop. Select Arrange, Start and End, and place the start needle position at the first stitch of the design, the end needle position at the last stitch of the design, and click OK. Next, select the Open Object tool and digitize a placement line that follows the first horizontal line. You will notice that when your mouse rests on the horizontal line, it will turn red. Digitize a line across this with 2 left clicks, ending at the fold line of the blouse. Follow straight down the fold line of the blouse and digitize the last click just beyond the bottom horizontal grid line. Holding the Control key down will place the line in a vertical plane. Hit Enter to activate the line. Open Object Properties and select the Buttonhole tab. Choose the type of buttonhole you want to embroider and change the angle to horizontal. Select the slit length of the buttonhole based on the size of the button you will be using. Click OK. Zoom in on the grid lines to increase your placement accuracy. Change the color and select Arrange, Add Buttonhole. An outline buttonhole shape will appear on the cursor. Move the buttonhole into the correct position from the edge of the fold line of the blouse along the first horizontal line. Notice again the line turns red when it is placed directly on the horizontal line. Click to activate the buttonhole. Once the first buttonhole is placed, do a Show All and place each buttonhole along the horizontal grid line, watching for that line to turn red as it is placed on the line. Do not worry if the buttonholes line up vertically, as we will use one of the alignment tools in the software to align them according to the first buttonhole placed. Press Escape to deactivate the buttonhole key. While holding down the Control key, select each of the buttonholes, beginning with the bottom buttonhole and ending with the top buttonhole that was accurately placed according to the fold line of the blouse. While they're selected, click on Align Right Vertical. Doing this will align all the buttonholes vertically according to the top buttonhole, which was the last one selected. You are now ready to save the design and send it to the machine of your choice. To embroider hoop stable stick tearaway in the Mega Hoop, remove the paper backing and stitch the first color of the buttonhole file. There will be a line that stitches first horizontally and then vertically along the length of the hoop. Place a pin to mark the position of the first buttonhole on the front of the blouse using the pattern piece as a guideline. Align the pin with the horizontal placement line stitched on the stabilizer and align the fold line of the blouse front along the vertical stitched placement line. Remove the pin and stitch the buttonholes. It is that easy. Use the save file over and over again to create fast and fun buttonholes.